prosecutors are demanding that Nnamdi Kanu be sentenced to death. This is a very serious moment, not just for him as an individual, but for the entire Igbo nation, because it exposes once again how differently the law behaves when an Igbo man is involved. Now, let us be honest. Not everyone agrees with Nnamdi Kanu. Not everyone agrees with how IPOB later became violent, or how the Southeast suffered from insecurity and the terrible Monday lockdowns. Even many Igbos have openly criticized him and called out the damage done. All of that is true. But another truth is bigger, louder, and more painful. Justice in Nigeria is not blind. In fact, whenever an Igbo man is involved, the law suddenly sees too much, moves too fast, and bites too hard. Ask yourself, where are the dramatic court trials for Boko Haram commanders? Where are the death sentence hearings for ISWAP leaders? Where are the daily headlines for the bandit warlords who have slaughtered tens of thousands of Nigerians for over 10 years? These men run actual terrorist armies. They kidnap school children. They bomb churches, mosques, markets. They burn towns. They loot villages. They shoot soldiers. And yet you don't see them standing trial in handcuffs. You don't see judges threatening them with the noose. Most times they are rehabilitated, released, or simply ignored. Meanwhile, look at what is happening to Nnamdi Kanu. Even Sunday Igbo, who openly declared Yoruba Nation, was arrested, jumped bail and returned, is now free, receiving chieftaincy titles and posing for photos with traditional rulers. Nobody is dragging him to court every month. Nobody is reading out their sentence in his case. This is why many people, even those who disagree with Nnamdi Kanu's method, are calling out the injustice. Because the question is not whether Nnamdi Kanu made mistakes. The question is why only his own mistakes are punished with this level of aggression and threats. If Nigeria truly had one justice system, one law for all regions, one standard for all ethnic groups, one punishment for every crime, then maybe today's development would feel fair. But the injustice is clear. The law becomes very active when dealing with the Southeast, yet it becomes weak, slow, and confused when dealing with other groups who have caused far more damage. So let us tell the truth plainly. The injustice is not that Nnamdi Kanu is facing judgment. The injustice is that the same judgment is never applied equally across Nigeria. The Igbos have carried this burden for decades. Whenever something goes wrong, punishment comes quickly. Whenever an Igbo man raises his voice, the system responds with force. But when others destroy lives on a massive scale, the country pretends not to see. This is why many Igbos feel wounded today. Not because they think Kanu is perfect, but because they know the system is not fair. They know they are judged more harshly than others. And they know this double standard is tearing the country apart. Until justice becomes equal, peace will remain far away.
With all sense of humility, I say, sir, as a prosecutor, that this court has no discretion in that regard, and that the only sentence that your lordship will impose for counts 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6 is death sentence. This court has the power to do so, and with respect must do so. The language of the act is clear, and the court is urged to apply it strictly without deviation.
Globally, it is now being frowned upon by the international community. Consequently, and in the interest of justice, I hereby sentence the convicts to life imprisonment for the said counts 1, 4, 5, and 6 instead of death sentence. Raised here in
the application, safety application for bail,
have been raised by the defendants severally in this court. And these courts has made an order that all preliminary objections or issues shall be taken during the judgments. This court is bound by that order. However, the issue as regards to referral of questions to the Court of Appeal and the stay of proceedings the statutory law governing criminal procedure in Nigeria, to its Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015. By Section 306 of that Act, which provides that an application for stay of proceedings in respect of criminal matters before court shall not be entertained. This statutory provision was initiated by the Court of Appeal in the case of Shuaibu versus Federal Republic of Nigeria. I must speak as to the essence, the reason for this statutory provision, that is Section 306 of Administration of Criminal Justice Act. The essence of this provision is to prevent inordinate delay through the filing of appeals while trial is going on. For this reason, the Section 306 of Administration of Criminal Justice Act having provided that such application shall not be entertained, this court shall not entertain same. As regards to the application seeking for bail, we have different types of bail applications. Bail application can be bail pending trial or bail pending appeal. I've looked at the application for bail. This application before this court does not fall within those two classes of application for bail. In this matter, as also stated by the defendant, that he has put in his defense. Hearing has been concluded. And also, by the order of this court, on the 27th day of October 2025, the court made an order that the defendant should next date put in his defense, or if he's not putting his defense, he should file address which shall be deemed to be final address. The defendant portion to that filed motion and comprehensive address. It is based on this that I hold that issues are relieved is highly unmeritorious. Same is hereby dismissed. Like I said earlier, all other issues have been raised through that motion and comprehensive final address that was deemed as final address, and another motion filed thereafter. This court, in the interest of justice, will not close his eyes to say the court will determine all these issues in its judgments. I proceed, I deliver my judgment. Judgment, please.
My Lord, I have an objection. final written address is a constitutionally mandated right which I must be granted. It is in the constitution of this very country that final written addresses, my Lord, must be granted. I have not waived it, my Lord, and I insist that I address this court on all these issues. My Lord, do not forget.
Defendants?
My Lord.
Consultants, can you tell
My Lord, I'm not, please, let me finish. It's my case. It is my case, my Lord, let me finish. My Lord, in this very court, Emeka Itiaba SAN was here, my Lord. Emeka Itiaba SAN said, at the right time we will contradict or controvert a piece of evidence. A piece of evidence given in this very court. I need to write my final written address, my Lord. I must.
Which does.
My Lord, my Lord, I'm saying it clearly. I am entitled to final written address. Where is my final written address? It's in the Constitution. My final written address. My Lord, my final written address. Where is it?
Can you listen to the court?
I'm not, my Lord, please.
Can you listen to the court?
Please, my Lord, I need to file my final written address. It's in the Constitution.
I appeal to you to compose yourself this temple of justice.
My Lord, you are biased. You are biased. This is not law. You are biased. It's not law.
Please, I beg you to compose yourself.
My Lord, this is not law. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address.
I beg you to
Show me.
compose yourself.
Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down. Show me. My Lord, you are conducting their case for them. You are the one running their case for them. Let them show me that the prosecution. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down.
You have the right to appeal after my...
No, my Lord. This is a perversion of the cause of justice. This is not law. It is not law.
Can you excuse me?
My Lord, I cannot excuse nullity and illegality.
Can you let him
It's not possible. It is not possible, my Lord. You must show me where the Constitution says you have the right to waive my written address. You must show me.
excuse him?
Show me. Show me where it says so. Show me. Show me where it says so.
Excuse him.
Is that why you brought the cameras? Is that why you brought them today?
Please.
You didn't bring it before. You brought it today.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. Show me.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. I said, show me. Show me.
Excuse me.
Show me.
Get the microphone from him.
No, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. I said, leave it. It's a court of law. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I have to speak. I'm under trial and I have to speak. Listen to me. Listen to me, please. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. And I must address the court. Wait. No, listen to me. Please. The judge must listen to me. No. Wait. I'm asking a very simple question. No. Wait. Please. Look, this is Supreme Court. Wait, hold on. This is Supreme Court here. Hold on a second. Hold on. I said hold on. May I inquire? This is not a court of law. It's not a court of law. What you're doing is not law. You don't know the law. Show me. I said show me where you have the right to waive my right to final address. Show me. It's what the Constitution says. Show me. Show me. You cannot show me. You cannot show me. You cannot show me because you don't know the law. You can't show me. Wait, hold on a second. Don't touch me. Don't you dare touch me. People who don't know about me. Show me where it says you can waive my right. Show me the place I'm asking you. Show me. Show me. Show me. Which law says you can try me an unwritten law? Show me. You cannot show me. I'm a judge. You claim you're a judge. You don't know law. You don't know law. Nonsense. Where is the final written address? Where is it? Which law gave you the right to waive my final written address? Which law gave you that right? Nonsense. You think I'm trying this with you? You try with me? You are mad. What's this one doing here? What are you 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 doing here? This is the one that attacked me. This is the fool that attacked me. That's the idiot. That's the fool. Don't touch me. Don't push me. I'm going. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm warning you. Don't touch me. I'm warning you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said don't touch me. Don't. Smart people. You don't know law. Show me where it says you can wear my right final address. Show me the law. Show me the law. Omotosho, show me the law. You don't know law. They are promoting you. You are writing rubbish. Show me the law. Unaddressed affidavit. You say you put it. Are you doing their job for them? God will punish you now and forever. Any judgment, let it be on record. Any judgment in this court is rubbish.